if real luxury wasn't about showing off power, screens, or complicated technology? What if true luxury meant silence, comfort, balance, and a space that instantly makes you feel relaxed the moment you sit inside? That is exactly what Lexus delivers with the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport. This is not just another electric SUV. This is Lexus redefining premium driving for people who value calm, quality, and precision over noise and hype. From the very first moment you open the door, the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport feels intentional. Nothing feels accidental, nothing feels overdone. The interior welcomes you with a sense of clarity and calm that instantly separates it from most modern electric vehicles. Let's start with the most important element inside any car: the seats. Seats and seating comfort. The seats in the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport are designed with long-term comfort in mind. Lexus understands that true comfort isn't about soft cushions alone. It's about support, posture, and how your body feels after hours behind the wheel. The F Sport seats offer excellent contouring without feeling restrictive. The side bolsters are supportive but subtle, holding you in place naturally during turns, while still allowing relaxed movement during long highway drives. The cushioning density is perfectly balanced. It's firm enough to provide support, yet soft enough to feel inviting. Pressure points are minimized, making long drives feel effortless. The seat materials feel premium to the touch. Lexus uses refined surfaces that feel smooth, durable, and carefully selected. The stitching is precise, clean, and consistent, reflecting Lexus's legendary attention to detail. Seat adjustments are smooth and accurate. Every small adjustment feels meaningful, allowing drivers of different body types to find their ideal driving position quickly. The seating position feels natural, upright, and confident. You sit slightly elevated, which improves visibility while maintaining a strong connection to the road. This balance makes the RZ feel easy to drive in the city and stable on the highway. Daytime interior experience. In daylight, the interior of the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport truly comes alive. Natural light fills the cabin, especially in the white interior configuration. The space feels open, airy, and modern. Lexus has carefully designed the interior to reflect light softly, avoiding harsh reflections or glare. The white surfaces enhance the sense of luxury and cleanliness. Everything feels fresh, refined, and premium. The cabin feels more like a modern lounge than a traditional car interior. The materials have a subtle gloss that adds sophistication without appearing flashy. Lexus understands restraint, and it shows in every surface. Rear seat comfort. Rear passengers are treated with the same respect as those in the front. The rear seats offer generous legroom and excellent cushioning. Passengers can relax comfortably, even on longer journeys. The seat back angle feels natural, reducing fatigue. Headroom is ample, and the flat floor design improves foot space and overall comfort. Lexus has ensured that the rear seating area feels open and accessible, not cramped or compromised. The rear seats maintain the same material quality and design language as the front, reinforcing a cohesive premium experience throughout the cabin. Dashboard and cabin layout. The dashboard design in the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport is clean, modern, and purpose-driven. Lexus avoids clutter and unnecessary complexity. The horizontal layout visually widens the cabin, enhancing the sense of space. Every element is positioned thoughtfully. Controls are easy to reach, easy to understand, and intuitive to use. At the center of the dashboard is a large, high-resolution display. The screen is bright, sharp, and clearly visible in daylight. Lexus prioritizes readability and usability over flashy animations. Menus are well-organized, responsive, and logical. You don't need to dig through layers of settings to access important functions. Everything works smoothly and predictably. The dashboard materials feel soft and premium. Lexus places high-quality surfaces exactly where your hands naturally rest. The transitions between materials are seamless, reinforcing a feeling of craftsmanship and precision. Steering wheel and driver controls. The steering wheel in the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport feels solid and refined. It's perfectly sized with a comfortable grip that inspires confidence. The leather wrapping feels premium, and the stitching is precise. Buttons on the steering wheel are well placed and intuitive. You can control essential functions without taking your eyes off the road. The tactile feedback is excellent, making each press feel deliberate and reassuring. The driving position combined with steering wheel placement creates a natural, relaxed posture that reduces fatigue. Noise isolation and cabin silence. One of the strongest qualities of the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport is its quiet cabin. The electric drivetrain operates almost silently, and Lexus enhances this with excellent sound insulation. Road noise, wind noise, and external distractions are minimized. At highway speeds, the cabin remains calm and composed. Conversations feel effortless, and the interior environment promotes relaxation. This level of silence transforms the driving experience. You feel more focused, more comfortable, and less stressed. Climate control and airflow. Climate control in the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport works smoothly and quietly. Temperature changes feel gradual and natural. Airflow is evenly distributed throughout the cabin, maintaining consistent comfort for all passengers. There are no sudden blasts of air or distracting noises. Everything operates discreetly in the background. Storage and practicality. Storage spaces are thoughtfully integrated into the interior design. The center console provides ample space for daily essentials without feeling bulky. Door pockets are deep and practical. Everything has a place, maintaining a clean and organized cabin environment. Interior lighting. Interior lighting is subtle and elegant. It enhances visibility during nighttime driving without distracting the driver. The lighting adds warmth and depth to the cabin, reinforcing the premium atmosphere. Driving experience. On the road, the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport feels refined and composed. Acceleration is instant and smooth. The electric power delivery feels linear and controlled, without sudden surges or noise. The vehicle feels stable at high speeds and confident in corners. Lexus has tuned the chassis for balance and comfort rather than aggressive performance. The suspension absorbs road imperfections gracefully. Bumps and uneven surfaces are handled smoothly, keeping the cabin comfortable. Steering response is precise and predictable. The RZ feels easy to maneuver in city traffic and stable on the highway. Braking is smooth and confidence-inspiring. The transition between regenerative braking and traditional braking feels natural. Technology and driver assistance. Technology in the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport is supportive, not overwhelming. Driver assistance systems work quietly in the background, enhancing safety without taking control away from the driver. Everything feels well integrated and reliable. Material quality and craftsmanship. Material selection reflects Lexus's commitment to quality and longevity. Surfaces feel durable, premium, and carefully chosen. Every detail contributes to a sense of refinement and consistency. Nothing feels cheap or rushed. Overall atmosphere. The overall atmosphere inside the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport is calm, balanced, and sophisticated. This is a vehicle designed to reduce stress and elevate everyday driving. Short trips feel special. Long journeys feel effortless. The Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport proves that electric luxury doesn't need to be loud or complicated. It simply needs to be done right. This SUV isn't trying to impress everyone. It's built for those who recognize quality the moment they experience it. Once you spend time inside the Lexus RZ 550 EF Sport, you understand what modern luxury truly means. And that is what